Welcome back to another video by ALTBAE. I thought it's been a good time to upload now after the buzz of Thread hitting the world. I've been playing around with that app myself, but now I'm back to YouTube, and I want to discuss with you the altcoins that I'm buying throughout July, and some which I'm kind of looking at the price, hoping that they go down so I can buy it again. And before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So without further ado, let's go on to CoinGecko. I'll put this into US dollars since the majority of my audience are from the United States, but feel free to convert to your local currency. The first one that I'm looking at is Kronos, which is the kind of like the native kind of token with crypto.com. So if you don't have crypto.com exchange, you can use my referral link in the description below. I believe you can get US dollars. I have 25 US dollars, and I get 25 US dollars if you use my code. Terms and conditions apply. But you can get these from other markets as well, like Mexi Global, BitGet, KuCoin, OKX, and others. So let's just look at the prices quickly before I go on to the website. If you're not familiar with crypto.com, Kronos. So all-time high was 96 US cents, as currently 5. So it's almost a 20x gain if it does go back to the all-time high if you were to buy now. So there's some information here about their platform, NFT, prices, products, the company. So this is the world leading cryptocurrency platform, 80 million users worldwide. I think a lot of people kind of like stake their Kronos. So yeah, there's just more information about crypto.com. Moving on, the other one is Phantom. Let's move this up here. So kind of like heard about Phantom by a YouTuber. His channel is called Crypto with James. I don't know James personally, but I do watch his videos from time to time. And he's very bullish on Phantom, and called it, I think, I don't know exactly when, but if you check out his videos, maybe like these lows here, and made huge gains there, and just gave that tip out to everybody again, because we don't give our financial advice. Always do your research before you invest your money. We don't know your investment style. It's up to you to decide that, but you can get Phantom through those exchanges. So it's currently at 27 US cents, and it was like 346. So yeah, I think that's roughly like a 12x gain potentially. So it's talking about Phantom is a fast, high throughput, open source smart contract platform for digital assets and decentralized apps. And you can enjoy almost instant transactions at extremely low fees. It's highly scalable, Ethereum compatible, and secure through the validator nodes. And it's a leaderless proof of stake network. And it kind of talks about the dApps already deployed on Phantom. Well, some of these you might already know, like famous ones here, like Sushi here, Curve, 1inch, cross-chain bridges. And they've got like lending and borrowing, yield optimizers. So yeah, do check out this website in your own time. I do want to keep this brief. The other one I'm buying throughout July is Verasity. This has been out for quite a while, and I believe it was the first crypto I bought through the crypto.com, through the app, through the exchange there. So Verasity, you can get this on the various markets there. So currently at 0.0048 US dollars. The highest was 8 US cents roughly. So potentially up just under 20x gain. There is more scope, or there's more to go on their roadmap, where it talks about the Vera wallet and the Vera views. So the Vera views is about validating, or at least highlighting, potential ad frauds. So it seeks to kind of highlight which ones are valid, kind of views or clicks, or if, for example, against those which are fraud. So this is kind of like the dashboard here that you would see, fraud detection. So identifies non-human users during site loading. It's got data gathering here. It talks about viewer behavior insights, and it talks about ad view validation and distributed analytics. Now, to counteract this kind of more well-known ones, lower risk, in my opinion, we'll kind of be talking about some other projects. They kind of, I know I kind of avoid memes, but sometimes memes you just have to get on board with it because there's potential for really huge gains on here. So this hasn't been out for too much longer, and I just hope that with kind of extra money that you don't mind risking, because this is high risk, there's kind of like meme tokens. Other ones which have been mentioned recently is like Thug, and also Wall Street Bets. So I know Crypto Game's done a Thug video on that recently, so THUG, like this one down here, Wall Street Bets. But there's one which I kind of like missed out on, but I think would be, if it does make a return. Again, this is just like, it's such a low market cap. This is very high risk, so don't put a fortune in it. Only invest what you can afford to lose. You can get some pancake swap with BNB, and this was like approximately a 73x gain. So what's it on CoinGecko? It says 18th of October 2021. In just about, what's that, a month or so, 73x return. So again, very high risk. So let me know about my picks. Do you think these are good picks? Do you think they're trash? What kind of, do you like having very high risk things in your portfolio, or low risk, or low, medium, high? Let me know what you're buying in the comment section below, and like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will be posting more videos. Like, I try to post every few days, just to discuss what I'm buying and what I'm looking at ahead of the next bull run. And again, I'll be doing a follow-up in August of what I'm buying in August. So keep researching these projects, and let me know what you're buying through this month, and I will see you in the next video. I wish you every success.